Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Monster World. To begin your exciting journey, you will first select one of 3 unique starter monsters, each with distinct abilities. Your grand adventure then unfolds as you explore vast and diverse regions, encountering many different creatures and facing various challenges. Ultimately, your primary objective is to become the most powerful and renowned monster master in the entire world. As you delve deeper into Monster World, you will navigate an expansive world map, uncovering new areas and discovering hidden secrets. Combat is a core element, featuring engaging turn-based battles against both wild monsters and rival trainers. Success in these encounters relies on your strategic use of your monster's unique skills and understanding their elemental strengths and weaknesses. Mastering these mechanics is crucial for progress. A key aspect of Monster World is building your formidable team. You can capture wild monsters during battles by using special capture devices, adding them to your roster. As your monsters participate in combat, they gain valuable experience points, allowing them to level up and significantly increase their power. Furthermore, many monsters can evolve into even stronger, more impressive forms once certain specific conditions are fulfilled. To truly master Monster World, strategic planning is essential. Focus on building a well-balanced team, incorporating monsters with diverse elemental types to handle any opponent. Efficiently manage your inventory, ensuring you always have enough healing potions and capture devices. Additionally, make sure to participate regularly in daily challenges and special in-game events to earn exclusive rewards and further enhance your monster collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.